how to log into your Discover Bank on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are logged out of your Discover account on your old phone. Then from there, you need to open your new phone, and then from your new phone, make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from your new phone, make sure that you have installed Discover Mobile. You can get it through your App Store or your Play Store. Then simply open the application. So after opening the application here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the option login right here. So all you need to do is tap on login, and then you'll be able to write in all of your credentials. First of all you need to do is add in your username and then your password, and you can simply tap on login, and then from there you can simply log into your Discover Bank on your new device. So in here, if you simply add in your username and a password and then simply tap on Face ID just like this, you can tap on enable. You will actually be able to enable your Face ID. So next time whenever you're trying to sign in or log into your account, you can simply use your Face ID instead of manually typing down all of your username and your password. So in here, let's just say somehow you have forgotten your somehow you've forgotten your user ID or your password. Then what you can do is simply tap on the option need help logging in right here. Then from there you can actually try to recover your password or the username. So all you need to do is add in your date of birth, and then you can add in your social security number, or you can add in your ITIN number, and in here tap on next and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password or user ID. So yeah, that is it. This is how you'll be able to log into your Discover Bank on a new device. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.